Hi, today we're gonna talk about like Maytag fridge. It's about 10-year-old and it start not cooling enough, uh, and it's been warm. It's been a few days, so it was working, but it wasn't just not keeping cool. So one of the reasons we tried to diagnose the problem. So what we did, we opened the door, and like you can remove this panel of the door. To remove this panel of the door, there are two screws. It's four screws. Is one here, one here, one here, and usually you just pull it up. You just pull it up, and it comes off. So once you get the door out, then you can have access to this, where it's a panel, and then you diagnose all this. So here it's a evaporating fan. Here is the switch, the heater switch. And then it's a heating element so it doesn't freeze up. So I checked all of those. It was no problem with any of those things. So what was the other problem is that I went from the back and I checked it. You can pause it.